Discover XA37P, your potential next huge crypto investment. In every crypto bull run, there are a handful of projects in the hottest new niche that create life-changing wealth for the people who got in early. Right now, that niche is AI. We've all seen projects go 20x, 50x, even 100x. So, the big question is, what's the next one? Today we're pulling back the curtain on a new AI crypto project that's making a lot of noise, XA37P. Is this your chance to get in on the ground floor, or is it just another overhyped pre-sale? We're about to break down the project, its potential for huge returns, and the risks you absolutely need to understand. The problem: navigating the crypto jungle hook. In every crypto bull run, there are a handful of projects in the hottest new niche that create life-changing wealth for the people who got in early. Right now, that niche is AI. We've all seen projects go 20x, 50x, even 100x, so the big question is, what's the next one? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a new AI crypto project that's making a lot of noise, XA37P. Is this your chance to get in on the ground floor, or is it just another overhyped pre-sale? We're about to break down the project, its potential for huge returns, and the risks you absolutely need to understand. The problem: navigating the crypto jungle. Before we jump in, let's be real for a second. The crypto market, especially the world of pre-sales, is a jungle. For every legitimate project with real potential, there are dozens of scams, rug pulls, and projects that just don't deliver. These schemes are getting smarter, using slick websites and fake endorsements to promise guaranteed high returns. They manufacture a powerful sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, by making you think you have to get in right now, or you'll miss the boat forever. The pain point is real. How do you sift through all that noise to find a genuine opportunity without getting burned? It takes a critical eye that goes way beyond the surface-level hype. And that's exactly what we're going to do with XA37P and its XAI token. We'll look at what the project claims, but more importantly, what we can and can't actually verify. Section 1. Introducing the solution. The XA37P narrative. So, what's the story with XA37P? According to its press releases, which began appearing around September 2025, XA37P is positioning itself as a revolutionary project where artificial intelligence and blockchain meet. The main idea is to build a decentralized ecosystem where AI is a core part of the utility, not just a buzzword. The project's native token is the XAI token, and its pre-sale is live right now. The core story they're selling is that this token will power a new generation of decentralized apps, from AI-driven DeFi to better smart contracts and transparent governance. They talk about building a platform for creators, cutting transaction fees, and creating new economic models built on transparency. On paper, this sounds amazing. The AI crypto narrative is one of the strongest in the market. Projects that have built ecosystems around decentralized AI, GPU rendering, and scalable apps have gotten massive attention. XA37P is clearly trying to ride that same wave by presenting a vision of real-world AI utility, claiming its goal is to move past pure speculation and deliver real value. Section 2. The deep dive. Promises versus reality. Alright, let's move past the marketing and get into the details. A project is only as strong as its fundamentals, its team, and its tech. This is where we need to be extra skeptical. First, the pre-sale. XA37P's pre-sale is structured to be very tempting for early investors, offering tiered bonuses that can go as high as 200%. This is a classic crypto pre-sale strategy to generate initial funding and build a community fast. The pre-sale makes it easy to participate by accepting a wide range of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and even Dogecoin. Next is the technology they claim to be building. Press releases mention that XA37P will use advanced GPU and AI hardware, including NVIDIA technology, to make its blockchain scalable and fast. They also toss around buzzwords like a quantum AI consensus mechanism in some materials. And then there are the huge claims about integrations. Some promotional materials hint that the XAI token is designed for use within massive ecosystems, like Grok and the X platform, which have millions of users. This is often paired with suggestions of a connection to Elon Musk, a tactic that can build instant credibility. Now let's pause and put on our detective hats, because this is where things get murky. While these claims are bold and exciting, some of them are also classic red flags for high-risk projects. The promise of a 200% bonus is extremely high and should be viewed with a lot of caution. More importantly, while they claim to be using advanced hardware, there is no independently verified technical white paper or third-party audit to back up how it all works. The term quantum AI is a major buzzword that is difficult to substantiate. The biggest red flag, however, might be the suggested link to Elon Musk, Grok, and the X platform. While Musk's XAI has indeed merged with X, extensive searching provides no credible official source confirming any partnership between XA37P and these entities. In fact, online communities and crypto watchdogs have issued warnings about various fraudulent schemes that use the XAI name and fake Elon Musk endorsements to lure investors. Okay, this is getting intense, and there's more to cover. If you're finding this breakdown useful and want more deep dives that cut through the marketing fluff, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. Have you seen ads for this project? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Section 3. The risks. The elephant in the room. This brings us to the most important part of this video. The risks. With any crypto pre-sale, you have standard risks like market volatility and the project simply not working out, but with XA37P, the risks seem much higher because of the issues we just talked about. First, there's a serious lack of transparency. Who is the team behind XA37P? Their website and promotional materials give no verifiable information about the developers, their backgrounds, or their track records. An anonymous team is one of the biggest red flags in all of crypto. Without a public-facing team, there's zero accountability. If the project goes south or turns out to be a scam, the founders can vanish without a trace, leaving investors holding worthless tokens. Second, the tokenomics are questionable. While the project talks about a deflationary model, there doesn't appear to be a publicly available, independently audited smart contract for the XAI token. We can't verify the total supply, how tokens are distributed, or if the contract is secure. Many scam projects use a countdown timer on their website to create fake urgency, only to reset it when it hits zero, to trick more people into investing. Third, and most critically, are the warning signs that this could be a scam. The combination of an anonymous team, unrealistic bonus promises, and the use of unconfirmed associations with major public figures fits the profile of many documented crypto scams. Financial market authorities in countries like Australia have previously issued warnings about other unlicensed entities using the XAI token name. People online have reported falling for similar-sounding XAI pre-sales, sending crypto to a pre-sale address, and then receiving nothing in return as customer support goes silent. So while the marketing paints a picture of a revolutionary AI blockchain project, the lack of verifiable evidence and the presence of numerous red flags suggests this whole thing could be a house of cards. Section 4. The potential. If it were real. Now, to be fair, let's play what if for a moment. What would the potential be for a project that genuinely delivered on these promises? Honestly, it would be enormous. A legitimate crypto project that successfully merges AI with a scalable blockchain and actually lands a partnership with a platform like X would be a game changer. The AI crypto sector is already one of the hottest in the market, with top players having multi-billion-dollar valuations. A new project with proven tech and a massive user base could easily see 50x or 100x returns, especially launching in a bull market. Investors who get in on the ground floor of a project like that could see life-changing gains. This is the exact story that XA37P is trying to sell. The power of that potential is precisely what makes these high-risk projects so tempting. It taps right into every investor's fear of missing the next big thing. But potential is completely meaningless without legitimacy and execution. The gap between what XA37P is promising and what anyone can actually verify is, at this point, a canyon. Conclusion and final disclaimer. So, what's the bottom line on XA37P? On the surface, it looks like the perfect investment, a pre-sale in the red-hot AI niche, promising revolutionary tech and massive returns. It ticks all the boxes designed to create hype and FOMO. However, our deep dive tells a very different story. The project is loaded with major red flags, including an anonymous team, technological claims that can't be verified, and the use of associations with figures like Elon Musk that appear to be unconfirmed. These aren't small problems, they are hallmarks of high-risk and potentially fraudulent crypto operations. While the promise of a 200% bonus is tempting, it's a classic hook to pull investors into a situation with a significant chance of losing their entire investment. Could we be wrong? In crypto, anything is possible, but investing is about weighing the odds and managing risk. Right now, the evidence strongly suggests that putting money into the XA37P presale is an extremely risky gamble. Therefore, the final takeaway is this: be extremely cautious. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Before you even consider investing in a project like this, you must do your own exhaustive research. Demand transparency. Verify the team. Look for independent code audits. Don't trust hype from unverified ads or social media comments. In a market filled with opportunities, the ones that seem too good to be true usually are. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest crypto analysis, and I'll see you in the next one.